Alright, we've got a Honda CB1300 on an 03 plate. We're going to be putting an engine in this today. Engine and a chain and sprockets kit as well. This is the one, if you remember the reel, where the chain has snapped. Nearly hitting his mate behind him on the motorway. And it's brought the crankcase. Shattered the front sprocket cover as well. That's right, obviously the Slave Master cylinder goes.
Right, so that top bolt there, he's turning it and he's coming off with it.
No, it's hard, they're all out.
Oh shit. Yeah, there has it stuck the crankcase. That's the engine, that. That's a right mess. Yeah, that's gone worse than I thought it would have done. Mate. That's dire. Shit. Oh dear.
Yeah.
That's gonna be here a while. Yeah, that's engine out.
The front as well. Yeah, it's gone right through front.
Yeah, I better tell him.
We've got new chain and sprocket kit here, supplied by the customer. He's putting a DID set on it with some JT sprockets. Oh, they're not even JT though. Bike Talk Racing. Okay, well, fair enough. And here's the donor engine. We are going to be putting his engine cases on because this one's got a few marks on it, both sides. But it's got everything we need. It's got no broken studs in the exhaust side or anything like that. Apparently, it's a good runner. We are going to be changing that front sprocket that's on there. But it's got the slave cylinder on there. It's got the front sprocket cover on it as well, which is good. And there's the other side. So we're going to be putting his crankcases on. I'm going to fit the engine first though, and then I'm going to put the covers on afterwards. And obviously we're going to do a full service kit on it as well. So yeah, put it on its main stand and get started. Right, let's tank on the panels off. Just got to drain the oil, drain the water, get these crash bars off. Carry on. Right, so that's the exhaust off, crash bars off, oil and water are all out, none of the exhaust bolts snapped, header bolts, thank God. I'm gonna stick that oil filter. That's not been changed for a while, has it? Look at all that. Well, it'll be fresh when it's done. Let's carry on. Right, so that's the engine out. And here's the donut. So we've got to get everything that's good off that one now and put it on this one. I might leave them engine cases on, because actually these ones actually do look a bit better than them ones. I didn't realise it was so bad. Right, let's carry on. Right, engine's in, all back together. All I've got to do now is put the fuel tank on, but before I do that I just want to turn the engine over to get that oil going through, all the new oil into the new filter. I just want to do it now, so turn it over until that oil light goes out. So let's just go put throttle open. Get that oil around the engine. Oil light's gone out. Right, so now put the fuel tank on, let that oil settle, and then just top up if it needs. Right, that's the oil in, tank's on, all primed up. I did have to top up the oil a little tiny bit. I'm going to do the first start now. So there we go. Just showing it's all cold. Do its first start up. Make sure that oil light goes out as well. Boom.